chimbaba chiensoti chiarange uko koiru kiensoti.
They fly the vulture in such a way that it will be known there were wings that flew the vulture.
Ensoti ya iruka elinde ya manyekana nga ene ensoti ya lenge chimbaba chiensoti.
Point number 4, as we almost getting to the very end.
Point ya kane kerato chikogenda wikiranga no moelio.
I want you to have the wings of success. And I've realized that most people do not get what they want in life because they do not know what it takes to get what they want. And sometimes they do not even know what they want. And that's the saddest part of it. But by point number 4, the feathers of the wings of a bird are very fair to each other. The feathers that are in front of the wing are longer than the feathers in the back of the wing. Because they cut the wind as the bird is flying. But the other wings know their job and they do it right. And Matthew 7:12 says that do for others what you want them to do for you. Do not celebrate other people's failure if you're going to be successful. It is not being better than your friends that matters. And this is true for us as a community. It's not living in a better house than you that matters. It's not because my son went to Harvard and yours went to TTC that matters. I invite the wisdom of the feathers of the wing of a bird. That every day I fly the vulture. I want to fly it in a better way than I did the previous day. And so I do not feel bad that my friend's daughter now has a BSN or an MSN or anything else. Masters. When I only celebrate him or her and I realize that when I'm happy for them, I get the same thing. If you are going to be successful, don't be jealous. We are all formed to be different and distinct. And when the small feather on the wing of the vulture has done its job, it is proud that it has done its part. When you have made your B, be proud of the B and work for the A. Do not look at the one who got an A and say, I wish I was him or her. Many challenges and places where we are today is because we did not learn to celebrate other people. If you take nothing else from this sermon, tell yourself, I choose to be fair. I choose to be the change that I want to see around me. Therefore,
Aseigo.
Be fair. Point number 5, and then I will finish up with the point number 6. 5.
Huh?
Point number 5. Point number 5.
There's a word fair in Ecosse.
Fair. Oh, I don't know what fair is in Ecosse.
Thank you.
Amen. Thank you. Point number 5, and then we'll finish with number 6.
Point yagatano. And then call a point yagatano limo.
Before a bird or a vulture flies, the wings do not begin by knowing how to fly. And what they do, they begin by taking the risk of flying. And once they've learned, taken the risk of flying, they understand that they can actually fly. Why am I saying that? Your other wing for success is take risks in this life. As you take the risk in this life, I want to ask you this. Be careful, not fearful. And that is true for all of us. Ms. Moebi said she was scared that maybe she would get in trouble if she became a teacher in the classroom.
Madam Esther,
and many of us become scared. But allow me to say graduates and everybody else. Learn to be careful, not fearful. Try new things. Try things that you think might be scary. When you try new things, you realize that you have the potential that other people don't have. It's only in being careful and not fearful that you become distinct. I was raised in the village and I'm a village boy. I may not look like a village boy today, but I'm proud to be a village boy. And one time I was raising guinea fowl. I don't know what you call guinea fowl. They look like chicken. Yes, kanga, thank you. I was watching the cows and I found the eggs of the guinea fowl, the kanga. And I took them home. And I gave them to the chicken at home, the hen. And the guinea fowls were hatched with the chicks at home. And the chicks of the guinea fowl grew up with the chicks of the hen at home. They did not know that they were guinea fowls. They were raised by the hen. They ate and ran around with chicken. But as they developed, their feathers were different. Their colors were different. And they made a different sound. The following season, they were older. And other guinea fowls came around the house. And when they made their noise of guinea fowls, my guinea fowls began to look around. And I wondered who taught them that they were guinea fowls. They looked around for a few times. The first day they went and came back. The second day they went and never came back. They realized they were distinct. But secondly, they were careful and not fearful. The first day they were careful and they went and checked to see if they were safe. And they realized that the other guinea fowls looked like them, sounded like them, and walked like them. And they knew that I had deceived them. They were not chicken. This brings tears to my eyes. When I see our kids and our people in this country behaving like chicken when they are guinea fowls. Did you say guinea fowl? Like chicken when they are actually guinea fowls. Graduates. Have the courage to be distinct and be careful, not fearful. And finally, you have to be able to take personal responsibility. Personal responsibility. All the feathers of the wing, they understand that if this vulture, if this bird has to fly, it depends on me as a feather. It does not depend on the bigger feather. It does not depend on the feather next to me. When you leave this place, I want you to tell yourself in the mind, silence of your mind, that if this thing has to be, if I have to be successful, it depends on me. If somebody has to take care, wake up in the morning and take care of the assignment, it depends on me. If I have to be a respectful young man, it depends on me. If I have to be an engineer, a doctor, a president, it depends on me. If I have to drive whatever car I want, it depends on me. That is why Henry Ford in this country said this. If you think you can, you're right. If you think you cannot, you're still right. It depends on you. Understand that the wings of success are in your hands. Do not blame your mother for not waking you up in the morning. That is why there are alarms being sold in Walmart. You set the alarm will wake you up. Parents, make sure that's a habit when they're younger. You are developing the wings of success when they are still younger. When you choose to know how to cook, you choose to eat. Your parents will not always be with you to cook for you. And therefore you need to understand early in life to say, these things, this life depends on me. I keep saying this. If this was a car, I drive this car. I do not want somebody else to drive it. When somebody else drives it, they wreck it. This car drinks only synthetic oil and takes premium gas. And takes premium gas. When somebody else drives it, they will put cheaper gas and cheaper oil. When you give a chance to your friends to drive this car, they'll drive it to ruin. They will tell this car, let's go to do drugs. They'll tell this car, you don't have to go to school. They'll tell this car, who cares